welcome back to my channel. This is Jasmine and today we have a review coming up. There are two products that we're going to compare side by side today, and both of them are here in my hands. One is the Ordinary's AHA 30% BHA 2% peeling solution, and from Dot & Key we have Hydro Peel Glow Potion, which is 10% AHA and 2% BHA exfoliating serum. Both of these products are available in India for us to purchase, but Dot & Key is more readily available in Indian market. But Ordinary has to be bought on a specific website, but I'm not sure about how those websites work, and this is not coming straight from the brand, so I don't have complete trust in them. So without further ado, let's just get into it. So both of these products are not identically similar. One of them has 10%, the Dot & Key one has 10% of AHA and 2% BHA, whereas the Ordinary one has AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution. So they're not identical, but they're pretty close. You know, these are the competing products for us in Indian market, so we're going to test it if it is even worth buying. This comes for 1095, which is pretty out there. It is a expensive product. Also, the Ordinary one comes for about $7 wherever you're buying it from. If you're buying it in India, you might end up paying a little more because of the customs and shipping. But we're going to see side by side, this one on the left, the Ordinary one on the left, and the Dot & Key on the right hand side. My right hand side, your left hand side. You get it. Both of these products have similar directions, and both of them have to be left on the face for 10 minutes, avoiding the eye area, and to be rinsed in warm or cold water. So first I'm going to apply the Dot & Key one because it has 10% AHA. Right off the bat, the packaging of this product is very nice. It is a plastic container with a dropper, and it smells really nice. So I'm going to take one pump of this and spread it on half side of my face. Like so. And I'm going to spread it with my pinky finger. You don't have to massage this into your skin, you just have to spread it. I think one pump was good enough for half side of my face. I think I have an even layer of product sitting on my face right now, and I'm very comfortable with it. This product smells really nice so far, and it doesn't stink at all. So I'm going to quickly apply the next product, and then we're going to talk about it further. So the next product, it also has a dropper and it comes in a glass container, which is really nice, and it feels nice to the touch. It is a matte finish glass bottle, and I'm going to take half pump. I'm going to apply it on this side of my face. And we're going to spread it across. I now have my exfoliants applied on either side, and to tell you the difference right off the bat, I feel a lot more stinging action going on my left hand side, and the right side of my face feels a little warmer, but the left side has more stinging sensations. And it is also, I have used this product and loved this product for years, but I'm interested to see if Dot & Key even comes a little closer to match this. If it does, I'm going to stick to Dot & Key because it smells really nice, and it's going to be easily available to me whenever I want it. If you have sensitive skin or if you have acne, you don't want to go near these. That's what I would say, but it is after all your call what you want to use. If you have acne or if you have sensitive skin, I would say use a mild exfoliant, physical exfoliant for the period that your skin is recovering. Once your skin is recovered, then you can go ahead and purchase these for yourself and you can give them a try. But you don't have to, so play it by ear, take an educated decision whenever you're trying a new product. If you know for sure that your skin is extra sensitive, I would say do a patch test before you put it on your face, because we don't want any more problems in life than we already have. It has been 10 minutes now. I have rinsed my face with lukewarm water and we're just going to see what the results are. So this is how my skin looks. I think both the sides feel equally smoother. I know this product and I have used this product enough to say that this is a cult product. It is amazing. If only we had it available in India, I would be buying this over and over and over and over and over again. But unfortunately, it is not available to us. I don't even know if this brand is going to be launching in India at all. But because we don't have this easily available, I'm going to say that this is a pretty good product. This is a pretty good dupe to the Ordinary one. Although it has only 10% AHA, but I think my face feels smoother on both the sides equally. I definitely feel like the Ordinary one has really minimized my pores a little more than this side. Also, this side looks more brighter to me. I don't know how it is coming across in the camera, but in person this side looks more brighter and the pores look a little more minimized than this side. And if I see any noticeable difference, I will keep you guys updated. And these are my thoughts, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye.